You just have to be yourself. You have to be away from the judgment. कि मैं ये करूँगी तो कोई ना कुछ सोचेगा. And that's probably why I'm not able to do it. Okay, पहले just put your feet in. We'll think about it later. If you do not put your feet in now, you will never be able to do it. The moment you think बाद में करोगी, वो बाद में कभी आता ही नहीं है. So while we talk, we're going to do origami.
ये ideas आते कहाँ से?
It's very difficult. मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है ये, क्या बकवास है? Was there a very chaotic phase in your journey where you were like, shit, अब नहीं हो रहा मुझसे?
मैं जब हैदराबाद छोड़ रही थी, it was not easy for me. I was saying goodbyes to a lot of friendship, to memories, to a lot of good times, to my independent life. That whole 5-6 months, I was doubting my decisions.
Do you have anyone that's like your backbone?
My brother. For any legal, illegal advice.
Illegal advice? ये कर लूँ मैं, बचा दे. People don't talk about it, but Asian countries is obsessed with being white. I saw people that already were white put on foundation that was whiter. It was so bad. How has building a brand affected your mental health?
I have to be like present all at once sometimes.
Yeah.
Inner peace is so underrated, especially when you're a founder and no one will understand it.
Handcrafted थोड़ा सा earthy लगता है. Designs of all of these things not really aligned with the Gen Z. So how do you solve that?
It's more like durable, and the beauty is by every wash it becomes softer and softer.
Oh. Okay. Am I looking good? I always look good. ठीक है, चलो शुरू करते हैं. कैमरेज चालू, कैमरेज चालू है. साउंड रोलिंग, साउंड चेक कुछ भी बोल रही हूँ मैं अब. ठीक है, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड.
बचपन से ही ड्रामा मैं कौन से कैमरे में देखूँ? मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ मैं, ठीक है, प्लेयर हूँ मैं.
Welcome back to She's Unhinged, where the women are unfiltered, unhinged, and absolutely unstoppable. I'm Varshika, and today's guest is Prachi, the founder of Paridhan Paridhi, a slow fashion label that's not just about clothes, it's about consciousness. At Paridhan Paridhi, every scrap, stitch, and spool is rooted in intention. From the looms of Bengal to the yarn makers of the South, Prachi is building a quiet revolution in fashion. One that honors craft, community, and the beauty of patience. We're talking about weaving meaning into business, choosing people over PR, and what it's really like to run a business that chooses depth over noise. So let's get into it. So, Prachi, how are you today?
Good. Pretty nervous.
I'm ठीक है. हो सकते हो nervous.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much for coming. So before we start, I want to know a little bit about your brand. Why is it named Paridhan Paridhi? What does it mean? And how did you get started with this?
Well, name holds emotion. And I would say it's pretty like an old memory that got reborn. But I'll just give you like a gist about the background. So I'm born in Delhi. I'm raised in a family where Malmal cottons, normal cotton clothes got introduced way earlier in my childhood. So my grandfather used to run Paridhan Paridhi.
Oh, okay. So he named it Paridhan Paridhi.
He named it Paridhan Paridhi. It's all about cotton garments. Ladies, girls. It got shut in around like 2001. But I still remember him getting like one pieces from his latest lot, and I used to wear those tunics on loop. And then years passed. I did my undergrads from Delhi University. Then I went to Hyderabad to pursue my masters in fashion merchandising. Then I got associated with sustainable brands, 2 sustainable brands. When I say sustainable, not like the name.
Actually sustainable.
They were like deeply rooted into handloom, working directly with weavers, working straight up with the loom practices, the hand woven, the Mangalgiris, Kalamkaris, Jamdanis, and I got too intrigued. I met so amazing people over there while working. I had a good work life though before, so I never had like a annoying manager or something. ऐसे कोई ऐसा कुछ नहीं मिला. I had like a good people. I was literally working as like handling their marketing, website building, also accounting. Then
so you're already wearing so many hats.
I was wearing so many hats. I was managing one kids wear brand, adults wear brand.
Oh my god.
So no, but I was literally
Enjoying it. Okay.
I was exploring that world, and I was not aware, but it was changing a lot into me. My buying behavior, my perspective deepened, and lot has changed.
That's nice.
So last year when I moved,
Hmm.
so I knew that I won't let these learnings go to waste in Delhi. So I started taking work trips to meet different weavers to just make this one-stop shop for all the crafts which I love, which I, the crafts people, the time, the document their life behind the loom, and basically whatever I can bring and give and support these livelihoods. So that's how Paridhan Pariti found me.
That sounds fantastic, actually.
Hmm.
So before we move forward, I have something for you. I have here some origami sheets, and you can choose what you want to make. So while we talk, we're going to do origami.
That's so interesting.
और लास्ट में ऐसे
Kudos,
competition भी
kudos.
करेंगे हम कौन जीता ठीक है but choose what you want to do. I think I want to make the heart.
I want to make the panda.
Okay. So let's get started with this while I ask you more questions.
Oh, okay.
So tell me, what was life like before you became a founder?
Before or after? Before.
Before, what was it like?
So socializing.
Okay, life of every founder.
So socializing. I mean, when I was moving out from Hyderabad last year, I was saying goodbyes to literally my party life, to impulsive trip decisions that I used to make.
And none of that is happening after you've become a founder.
That's actually a sad part, but yeah.
Okay.
I want to I don't want this change to happen, but it's organic.
But I think it does happen. Like I have noticed, I was never a party person, but ever since I've become a founder, I've become even more घरेलू कि नहीं मुझे ऑफिस जाना है ऑफिस से मुझे घर वापस आना है मुझे और
and
कुछ
it's
काम करना है.
organic.
Yeah.
It just comes you don't have to think.
Yeah, you
twice.
have to push it. It's
don't have to
already
push
there.
it.
कि
It's
मतलब मन ही नहीं
already
कर रहा
there.
कहीं कुछ करने का. Like all the time I'm only thinking about my business.
And how can I save more money? I don't know.
Oh my god, the saving money bit of it. I have
Yeah.
become so stingy in life. I'm like नहीं मुझे पैसे बचाने हैं मुझे पैसे
I
बचाने
swear. And I was like, okay, मैं किसके लिए कमा रही हूँ? खुद के लिए कमा रही हूँ. And sometimes it's just like कि एक महीना अच्छा जाता है. तो I was like, okay,
हैं.
let's.
Wow, yeah.
But then I was like कि नहीं छोड़ो हम लोग मार्केटिंग में दे देंगे इसको.
The marketing, oh my god, marketing has me in a chokehold. I mean, the things that you have to do for marketing.
Okay, wait. I have to understand. Is this like a same steps?
Yeah, you have to follow these steps to the T.
My difficulty level is 3-star.
Same 3-star. I also have 3-star difficulty. ठीक है कर लेंगे हो जाएगा.
Okay.
Okay. So exactly that. मतलब मार्केटिंग के लिए इतना कुछ करना पड़ रहा है मेरा दिमाग खराब हो गया मार्केटिंग.
But I tell you, it's a trial and error.
Yeah. It is.
Is no. मतलब मैंने बहुत कुछ सुना कि webinar attend करते हैं इनके पास जाते हैं. I mean, social media marketing handler, manager. That's such a underrated job.
Yeah.
And I think
people
I
who
want
are
to just say
doing it.
something.
Yeah.
It's not like I'm sugarcoating it on a camera or something, but I try to, be a face for my brand, but it's just so difficult.
It is very difficult.
And you are experimenting different channels.
Oh my god.
But it's not easy.
It's not. But it's fun. I mean, I think if once you get the feel of it, कि अच्छा मजा आ रहा है, I really want to do all of these things.
But
it just becomes easier.
जैसे ये ideas आते कहाँ से?
I think it flows, and you just have to be yourself. You have to be away from the judgment. I feel like a lot of times we don't even know it, but we're feeling an unsaid judgment कि मैं ये करूँगी तो कोई ना कोई तो कुछ ना कुछ सोचेगा, and that's probably why I'm not able to do it. So letting go of that is very important while thinking of all of these things.
That's so true.
So tell me, was there a very chaotic phase in your journey where you were like, shit, ab nahi ho raha mujhse? Like, what the hell?
Yeah, I think you are a founder. You should know. पहले initially when you like just start plan बनाते हैं, but there are some uncertainties that happen.
Yeah.
और मेरे साथ में ना ऐसा था कि I work with loom practices, traditional loom practices, and I work with people who are using those, who are still onto that craft.
Right.
So they have some like traditional mindsets.
Yes. Okay.
So this is a bit of a male dominating industry. Though I won't say कि मुझे सब लोग ऐसे मिले थे, but initially to get on the vendors, to literally make a brand ethical, go green, ये बहुत ज़्यादा challenging होता है. To your packaging, to your thank you cards, all of mine is like recyclable, and everything is sustainable, ethically made.
And that must have been so difficult to even execute.
It was very difficult. मतलब last year, that whole 5-6 months, I was literally doubting my literally the what do you say, the decisions, the brand is क्योंकि हम ही बना रहे हैं decisions, हम ही कर रहे हैं. You are the like sole holder,
and self doubt sets in very easily. Am I doing this right? Am I, taking the right decision? Will it lead me to a place I want to be? I know it gets very difficult, and self-doubt has been such a big problem for me as well. Like I haven't been able to deal with the self-doubt. कि अच्छा ये कर रही हूँ तो सच में क्या सही कर रही हूँ? What if this ruins my brand? What if this just like explodes in my face? What happens then?
Yeah.
All the money gone, all the effort gone, self-esteem back to zero. What do you do then? Do you have anyone that's like your backbone or that's there to support you? If yes,
of course. I think my brother. And he will laugh watching this video. But my parents are there, but my brother is in the legal law industry. So for any illegal advice, anything that I have,
illegal advice, ये कर लूँ मैं, बचा दे.
And literally like anything I have to ask कि अच्छा मेरे साथ था, मेरा ये कारीगर के साथ ये झगड़ा हो गया, or maybe this influencer is creating this bad stuff. So the one person to call is my brother.
Oh, really?
Sure. Yeah, I'm close to him. I mean, I'm close to my family. Of course, my father has been so supportive. मैं कभी भी work trip पे जाती हूँ, I take my father along with me.
That's so
He
so
let
cute.
me, come forward and speak to different people and face the world by having my back.
I think that's very important.
That's
like
so
having parents that support you
It's so
and
important.
are like, ठीक है बेटा जो करना है कर लो. I can totally understand why that's so important, because had my parents said नहीं करना है तो मैं नहीं कर पाती. कहाँ से लाते भाई? ना पैसा ला सकते हो कहीं से, ना कुछ नहीं कर सकते. What will you do? But so have you ever like wanted to quit कि भाई ऐसी की तैसी में गया, मुझसे नहीं हो रहा?
नहीं, वो अभी तक नहीं आया, and I want it never to happen. Quit वाला चीज तो नहीं आया है. There is always like a downfall. और अभी it's been like a few months only.
अच्छा.
और this is like when I started this is one mindset that I like. मैंने सोचा ही था कि इसी से ही चलना है. This is gonna be like my baby, my baby brand that I have to take care no matter what, national holiday, Sunday, Monday, I'm sick or not, 12 a.m., 2 a.m.
करना ही करना है.
चल रहा है नहीं चल रहा है, there are quiet days.
As a founder, what is a weekend? There is no weekend. There is no vacation. I recently went on a vacation. It was a work trip vacation.
How was it?
It was very nice. It was so good. Like I want to go to Korea every second. Like,
do they really have that glass skin या फिर filter?
नहीं यार, glass skin इतनी नहीं होती लोगों की. मतलब when you see them up close.
Simple देखी थे एक दो.
हाँ मैंने देखी थे. और ऐसे वो भी देखा था यार. Texture बहुत ज़्यादा texture होता है skin में. And people don't get it. People don't talk about it. But Asian countries, India included, is obsessed with being white. So I saw people that already were white, put on foundation that was whiter.
Oh my god.
And you could see the difference, like their face.
And I'll tell you, there are my friends also who use this type of like shades and stuff, and I was like, bhai, ye nahi
ho payega bhai. Matlab it was so bad. So bad. But yeah, but it was very nice. It was a good break for my mental health. really
That's-
needed it.
That was
And that brings me to...
I saw your stories. It was so engaging.
है ना, मजा आया. Everyone was telling me और डालो और डालो और डालो. I was
मजा
like,
आया था.
डालती हूँ मैं, मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है, ये क्या बकवास है. एक सेकेंड, मैं
मेरे को भी लग रहा है कि मैं कहीं तो
मुझे
गलत
कम
हूँ.
डिफिकल्टी चाहिए. मैं कैंडी बनाऊंगी अब. ऐसी की तैसी. Okay, so tell me, how has building a brand affected your mental health? How has it been?
It's a very subjective topic.
Yeah.
I don't know what to say, but obviously there are like a lot of breakdowns for anyone who is like starting something on their own.
Yeah.
And for sure, there were like a lot of breakdowns, but I knew that I have to. I mean, initially I was not that confident. How will I cope up with my inner breakdowns, my internal personal life breakdowns, or maybe like your brand thing, and I have to be like present all at once sometimes.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, of course. You're a
So-
founder. Everyone's going to come to you and ask you things. No one's going to be like, we'll manage on our own. No one's going to do that.
Now, like pehle to I was handling everything like accounts department, which sucks. I'm not good at it. Now I have
I
like
hate accounting.
now I have
hate
like
it so much.
people, but before I was literally all there. But now it's more organized. And
I hate accounting. I can't. मुझसे नहीं हो पाता
the
accounting.
one thing that I don't like is that only.
Yeah, मतलब it's very difficult.
Yeah, I'm going wrong somewhere.
मुझसे तो 2 star भी नहीं हो रहा है, भगवान. क्या बकवास है ये?
This is your idea. I thought you will be much prepared.
Oh please, I have never even done origami in my life. अगर मैंने सब कुछ करा ही होता पहले से तो हमारा ये challenge कैसे होता? How would this be a fair challenge? It would not
That's
be a
true.
fair challenge.
Why they make this dotted lines जब के follow ही नहीं करनी है? I think I'm going wrong.
I have no idea. I'm going to focus on mine because I want to get this done. Okay. Anyway, so what does success look like for you? If you had to tell me like this is what success
Which I
is for me.
haven't tasted yet.
Soon, I mean,
Yeah.
manifest. But what does it look like for you?
It looks like I am traveling with no worries to save money for my marketing or stuff. I can make like impulsive decisions.
Oh,
if
that does make success.
Huh?
Yes, because every time,
And
one
I'll
has to
tell you.
spend something.
If a success, पर अभी जैसी success word बोला ना, तो एक हैदराबाद में ना एक स्टोर है स्वदेशी करके नीता अंबानी का. All about handloom and handcrafted products. I want Paridhan Paridhi
To be there.
have like a physical store and
Oh,
something like that.
that's a really nice goal to
Manifestation.
have. Yeah. And I feel, do you believe in manifestation?
Goal.
Yes.
Every
yes.
day.
Manifest.
एक मिनट ये बन गया है.
नहीं बना है वो.
ये कैसे बनेगा पान?
ऐसा दिखेगा पैंडा. उल्टा
अरे-
बना है. इसमें
Oh.
आंखें यहाँ पर है. मतलब
See, I did it wrong.
उल्टा बना है.
Shit.
भाई यार मुझसे नहीं बन रहा. ये क्या बकवास है? ये क्या है? मुझसे हो ही नहीं रहा. फाड़ना है क्या ऐसे?
नहीं.
तो क्यों नहीं बन रहा?
पेपर नहीं
फिर?
फाड़ते. Safe paper.
अच्छा.
I'm all sustainable.
Okay, tell me. Okay, rapid fire. ठीक है. जल्दी बताना है. One practice that you swear by in the morning.
Journaling.
You journal every day.
Every day.
Tell me the worst advice you've ever been given.
Worst advice would be कि हैदराबाद मत छोड़ो and wait for some time. Take experience and stuff, more experience and. I mean, you know what? I don't like when people give such advice. Just start executing.
I agree to that so badly because it's
हाँ.
like पहले कर लो फिर सोचेंगे क्या किया. I follow this so blindly because ठीक है पहले just put your feet in. We'll think about it later.
Yeah.
Because if you do not put your feet in now, you will never be able to do it. The
हाँ.
moment you think बाद में करोगे वो बाद में कभी आता ही नहीं है.
And you know, मैं जब हैदराबाद छोड़ रही थी, it was not easy for me.
Of course.
I was saying goodbyes to a lot of friendship, to
Mhm.
memories, to a lot of good times, to my independent life.
Of course, coming
So-
back and living with your parents.
Exactly. So although I love my parents,
Yeah, everyone loves their parents, yaar.
But
Who doesn't
there
love
is
their
this-
parents?
4
Freedom
साल
तो
I was
freedom
there.
होती है ना, मतलब-
4 साल I was there.
Yeah.
तो मेरे को जो आदत लग रही थी, it took like a time to cope
Of
up with
course.
them. But yeah,
Okay. One thing, if you could tell your younger self, what would it be?
to not fear of dreaming. Dream big.
Okay. What is it like working in not the rapid fire anymore, but what is it like working in the fashion industry? And if someone, let's say, were to start out in the fashion industry, what advice would you give to them?
That's interesting. It's not glamorous.
It's not as glamorous as it seems, or it's
As
not
it
glamorous
seems.
at all.
No. It is glamorous at one point of time, but to make it happen, the behinds, the all the chaos that you have to go to, the collection launch, it took like a troll, and it's not as glamorous.
And if someone were to start out, where would they be able to start out?
Just plan and structure whatever you want to get into the market and start executing it slowly. Plan your finances, so important. Allocate your finances. That is like the most important part in fashion, because there will be like fabric, the raw materials, the different carigars, machinery cost, so much that you have to allocate. And
Okay.
एक बार ऐसा होता है कि यहाँ से ज़्यादा ही हो रहा है, कुछ कम हो रहा है. That's okay. You will improvise it slowly and steady, but plan everything out. It's so important.
Did you have any mentors like starting out?
Oh yes. So when I was in Hyderabad, with the one brand which I was working for, so the owner, I met Sarita auntie. Her name is Sarita Dusmali. She was associated with Kalanjali before. So it's like, how can I say? Like Delhi में Fab India जैसे है ना, बहुत ज़्यादा common. But that's so
मेरी
pretty.
क्रिकेट टॉफी बन गई है,
That's so pretty.
टेढ़ी है पर मेरी है, कुछ नहीं कर सकते आप इसका, ठीक है? मुझे बहुत सुंदर लग रही है ये।
मुझे colours भी बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं.
हाँ, tell me.
So Kalanjali was like a big store in Hyderabad. So Sarita auntie started her own brand, Urvi Weaves, and she got like such a, उनकी बातों में charm होता है जब भी वो Indian textiles के बारे में बात करती हैं. She was the one I got so inspired of. If she's selling Mangalgiri, she will wear it. Like, she has a very good knowledge about Indian heritage textiles, the loom practices, how it will become after washes or stuff like that. And she knows what she's selling. She knows how it is getting made or stuff like that. And she's so calm, and she's become like a mentor figure to me. I don't know if she knows, but yeah.
So for people who don't have a mentor, right? Like not everyone has a mentor.
Yeah.
Not everyone knows where to start.
Yeah.
Not everyone knows what to do.
Yeah.
If you could say one thing to them, कि अच्छा यहाँ
That's
से start
okay.
करना है तो कैसे start करोगे? How would someone start out?
So for me, I knew handloom, this world, this industry is my calling. It's my jam. And I got so intrigued to know more about it. And that's how, my mentor, Sarita auntie, whatever she do, that's fascinated me. It's okay if you don't have like a mentor or something. You must have your own jam, your calling, your desires to be कि मुझे ये क्राफ्ट करना है, मुझे ये ऐसे करके बेचना है or something like that. And you will see lot of like inspiration Pinterest पे और YouTube पे, और हम भी देखते हैं हमें कौन सी outfit है, everyone. So you just inspired through social media. Now social media is such a gig. Social media पे ही इतने सारा कुछ है, तो you don't have to like इतना कुछ physical inspiration लेने की जरूरत है, but it's हो जाता है, right?
I would say कि मतलब starting out sheer, I also did not have a mentor. I didn't have anyone at all. मुझे तो ये भी नहीं पता था manufacturers मिलते कहाँ से हैं.
How it started? Tell me about you.
So now I'm being interviewed.
And like not like the question, but I really wanted to know. It looks so inspiring.
So basically, I have always been in the beauty space because my mom's a makeup artist. And growing up, she would do makeup on me. Obviously, ये
हाँ.
बच्चा है, मतलब मुफ्त का canvas है, तो कर ही लो, मैं मेरा तो मैं भी करती. So she would like keep doing makeup on me, and that really fascinated me, and that pulled me towards makeup. So growing up, I was very interested in makeup. मैं करती रहती थी, मतलब making different looks and stealing my mom's makeup, and I got good at it. So I had thought कि कभी ना कभी तो ब्यूटी ब्रांड शुरू जरूर करूंगी, जैसे भी करूं कभी ना कभी तो करूंगी. My father said नहीं, UPSC करूंगी. I was like, Papa, he's like, नहीं, पहले UPSC करूं, पहले पढ़ाई लिखाई complete करूं. I prepared for civil services for 2 years, 2 complete years. It ruined my mental health. Gave me a lot of knowledge. I would not say no, but absolutely ruined my mental health. And then one day I was like, you know what? Bye. I'm not going to do it anymore. And I want to start a beauty brand. So within a week, I had my name, I had my colors, I had my idea of my product. I had found manufacturers somehow. And I was like, you know what? पहले head first चली जाऊँ मैं इसमें, फिर सोचूंगी क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना, क्या सही किया, क्या गलत किया, बाद में सोचूंगी. Let me just dive into it.
And
first.
why this name Sheer?
So sheer comes from the English word sheer, S-H-E-E-R, meaning transparent.
Yeah.
So beauty needs to be transparent. Beauty needs to look beyond what your face is and look through inside.
That's
Self-love
so
is beauty. So until and unless you have self-love on your side, you're not going to feel the beauty. Whatever you put on yourself, you're not going to feel beautiful क्योंकि प्यार ही नहीं कर रहे हो आप खुद से. तो internal beauty भी तो उतनी ही important है.
That's so well said.
So that's why sheer. But okay, mental health से मुझे याद आया. How has your mental health been as a founder? I think I've already asked this question, but I want to go in a little bit more detail of, do you struggle with mental health? If yes, how do you cope with it? What is it that, happens?
I just take it slow, to be honest. And I said it before, it's a very subjective thing. I have to figure it out that what is bothering me. And I started speaking out, if so not with my friends, so with my mom. Because my brand and I can't be at the unit all the time. So I choose to work from home, inside. I lock my door. I take all the meetings from my room and stuff. So whenever I am stepping out or something, it's for my betterment. Now I started doing it. So that's how I cope up with it. I just go out, chill. I just take my work once at a time now. I have segregated all the departments that I will take first call with Rajanaji, who's the head weaver of Paridhan Paridhi. Then slowly I'll move to creatives. Then beach mein I'll take a break. I CEO wala routine follow nahi kar sakti. Waking up at 5.
What is CEO routine according to you?
Waking up at 5, going to the jogging, coming up and taking meetings and coming, go and can't have that.
मैं भी नहीं कर सकती, मुझे 10 बजे उठना है.
So I follow this thing कि मैं कितने बजे भी उठूं. I just have to be at my desk in front of my laptop from 10 to 7. I follow that 10 to 7 job pattern routine. And before I was unorganized, so all over there. And it was not happening. मैंने वो वाला routine भी किया था, सुबह उठने वाला.
वो follow नहीं हो पाता है. मतलब it's very difficult to keep through.
And I am a creative director for my brand only. So I take care of all the creatives, not only textiles, the garments, and then the marketing creatives and everything. So I have to chill and be
you let it flow.
Yeah.
Creativity is all about letting it flow. So if you're extremely rigid with yourself, your creativity is not going to come up. It's not going to show up. And one thing I have realized is people take it so, they take it so rigidly कि यही करना है, वरना मैं कुछ गलत कर रहा हूँ, मैं कुछ गलत कर रही हूँ, या फिर they go on a guilt trip. Don't do that to yourself. That's the worst thing that you can do to yourself, because I have been on many guilt trips as a founder thinking I'm not doing enough. I'm, probably doing something wrong. I shouldn't be doing this. I'm not showing up like I want to show, but it's okay. Sometimes you're not able to show up, but it's fine. You have to show up for yourself first and then think about showing up for your business. Because at the end, like you said, it's your baby.
It's so important.
तो दूसरों को कैसे करोगे आप? You can't feel something.
Inner peace is so underrated. especially when you're a founder, and no one will understand it.
Yeah, exactly. No one's going to understand the chaos that's going on inside of you, but you have to understand it. At the end,
I
you
know,
have
so
to
true.
show up for yourself.
So true, and no one will gonna understand what's happening inside you, inside your brain, how much you are like dealing with stuff. Are you planning? We are already like planning the next collection.
Of course, obviously.
और हमें इतना कुछ चल रहा होता है ना, you can't even express every time. And you don't have to show it to people what's your routine is like, how your busy life is going or something like that. But you just have to enjoy this journey, and that's only you will just show your brand in a in a nice
Yeah,
way.
you can't really show something that you are not comfortable with.
Yeah.
So be yourself, be comfortable.
Yeah.
Try to be as much as you are who you are. It reflects in your brand.
That's
So
true.
you have to be calm,
Yeah.
cool, composed, and I know it's not possible all the time. It
Yeah.
takes a toll on you, really bad toll on you. But I think it's all about trying. Keep trying.
Yeah.
Don't be very harsh on yourself. Try to be loving to yourself.
Look at my baby panda.
Oh my god, I'm gonna give a chocolate to the panda.
I gave you this.
It's very cute. मैं तो नहीं बना पाई 3 stars वाला, so I think Prachi
That
took
was
the hit for
like
this
pretty
one.
easy, but I just sucked
The
at it.
heart wasn't easy at all. I don't know why it looks easy. Dude,
एक
it's
कुछ
not
एक और
easy.
करें क्या?
ठीक है, कर लेते हैं. Okay,
It's fun.
so while we're doing the second one, tell us about where we can find you and what can one expect while coming to Paridhan Paridhi, either on the website or on Instagram.
Well, we keep everything transparent. You can find Paridhan Paridhi online store. We have online presence all over, like on Meta platforms, and we give all transparency. Like if I am wearing this, you will see how this fabric like got woven.
Oh.
Everything is hand woven. Like every detail, every pictures will be on like highlights, or the video will be on the website. So one thing I found like in this sustainable industry, that everyone is trying to be sustainable. And who knows what they are getting if they are saying organic cotton or stuff.
Yeah, okay.
Or-
Yes, of course.
Of in Delhi, not Delhi, but especially in my family, I won't talk about like Delhi as a community. But my family wasn't aware about hand woven before. और
अच्छा.
hand woven बहुत कम लोग जानते हैं what it is basically. अगर ये कोई cotton है तो ये कौन सा cotton है? There are so many types of cotton. So this, to be like vocal about what you are selling, what the fabric is, how much count of weave has been put into weaving and stuff, is what I found Paridhan Paridhi. I'm giving Paridhan Paridhi this USP to make everything go sheer, go transparent.
Oh wow, okay.
So that's how like I wanted to keep everything transparent to my not consumer. I feel like they should know what they're wearing.
Of course.
They should know what the story is behind making this fabric. क्योंकि इतना सा fabric बनने में एक दिन लगता है.
Really?
1 inch. Yes. 1 inch fabric बनने.
Oh my god.
And to हमारा जो हम fashion brands होता है, slow made fashion brands especially, वो लोग कुछ 20-30 meters लिखते हैं अपने production start होने में, बहुत light production start होने में.
हाँ.
If you're going with the light production, और इसके लिए 1 महीना wait करना पड़ता है. तो if to like start your collection, you have to like prepare and talk to
काफी
your
पहले
weavers
से.
8-10 महीने पहले से. So it's like a lot of time, lot of patience, everything that went to make slow fashion, slow and meaningful.
Oh. And that's like,
That's the beauty of it.
yeah, even just sticking to it,
Yeah.
like अगर आप कह रहे हो कि आप sustainable हो, तो आप उस पे actually stick कर रहे हो कि हाँ हम सच में sustainable हैं.
Huh. Even our packaging is 100% recyclable.
Oh, wow.
Our thank you cards is plantable.
Oh, okay.
And everything from like top to bottom, all raw materials, everything.
So if I
Yes.
take if I order something and I can just plant the thank you card.
You can just
tear it apart and
tear it
just
apart, and instead of dumping them aside, you can just plant them. Just put them in the soil and water it, and eventually the plant will.
And is
grow
that
and,
something
like,
that you're actually like showing on your Instagram as well?
Yes, I did. Like, I'm not making like a lot of reels. I'm really bad at it. That is something I have to learn. Whenever I start like showing my the behind the scenes, or started selling, or doing some
Yeah.
get ready with me, I end up giving gyan for some reason. Ki how this fabric is getting.
made.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Like how much time, or like clips,
Yeah.
like it's air circulated because there are like holes and stuff. I just end up giving like gyan.
But it's important to give gyan. I mean, until and unless you tell what your product is doing.
I love talking about my products, or maybe anything that is related to handloom.
Yeah, so ज्ञान देना तो जरूरी है ना. अगर
हाँ.
if you don't tell me, oh my Christmas tree is ready.
Oh my
ये देखो,
god, that
मेरा
looks so good.
Christmas tree के आगे मैंने गिफ्ट भी रख दिया है. ठीक है.
और पांडा भी आ गया.
पैंडा भी आ गया है. पैंडा आ गया है क्रिसमस मनाने के लिए.
Guys, this is such a girly moment happening right now.
Oh my god. I love this.
That is like so much girl math happening here. But ये क्या बोलते हैं कि मैं कहाँ फंस गई हूँ रॉकेट में?
Okay.
Oh shit.
गलत रॉकेट. इसको
Oh, shit.
रॉकेट में हम पैंडा को बिठाकर उड़ा देंगे. Oh my god, this is very cute. Okay, so that is that. Tell us what is your website and what is your Instagram. Please do tell so that people can
So
find
it's
you there.
paridhanpariti.in. I kept it very simple. You will find the same username on the Instagram, paridhanpariti.in. All over, everywhere, paridhanpariti.in.
Okay, perfect.
Everywhere.
Perfect. And again, if you had one thing to say to the world about handloom, what would you say?
It's a very beautiful world. It will give you peace, like how I found. It will definitely make your mind calmer. It will be like very soft. You won't feel the buzz about something is itching or something like that. And please don't fall into the trap that everything is handloom or something. I don't like when people sell anything under the name of handloom.
And do you think people are doing that a lot? People are like faking the handloom tag.
Handloom tag, and there is this word khadi, which is got so common now. So if you will find like even Delhi में there are store called khadi.
Yeah.
But then मैं जब गई तो उनके now tags में लिखा है कि they are poly khadi. I don't understand.
Poly khadi क्या होता है?
Polyester, which is mixed.
तो अच्छा तो मतलब खादी बोलकर आप नकली बेच रहे हो.
Khadi is only authentic when it is woven and hand spun like charkha, like how Gandhi ji has like invented and how it was.
उनके
in the
नाम पर आप
picture.
ऐसे नकली बेचने के लिए चल रही हो.
और आजकल and not only that, like khadi is such a small topic about it, but I have this deep respect for crafts and all the handcrafts, not only like textiles or stuff. So I don't like when everything is like selling with the name of handcrafted and this and that. But it is not when I because I know the smell of
course,
handloom.
of
I know
course.
this thing or something like that. So I don't like that part. But apart from it, handloom is definitely a blessing to have for the next generation. And for the youth like me, you can always like try to style, your Gen Z style, your anything.
The problem with handloom, तो मैं क्या कहूँगी? I think I found this one loop you can say is that obviously handloom, handcrafted थोड़ा सा earthy लगता है. मतलब like the feel,
Correct.
the designs of all of these things do not really align with the Gen Z or जो आजकल नया तरह के कपड़ा लोग पहनते हैं. So how do you solve that?
It's not like I understand the earthiness and stuff. I am kind of loving the earthiness vibe with my brand. But I get you. When, I was buying impulsively from H&M and stuff. I was going with that tight corsets and, that tube tops and smoking and all of it, whatever. So whenever when I was like working with in Hyderabad, I used to like get those scraps, those katrins from like production, the colorful katrins leftovers, and I used to make like a top, the crop tops, the crop blouses and stuff, and this and that. And I started like styling it. It's like different from different perspective for different body types. But once you will see the handloom with a different perspective, with a different, the scenario, you will get to know that, of course, it's not heavy, it's not georgette, it's not like net or mesh, but it is, hand woven, the weave, which is kind of will be there for long term. It's
I think you
durable.
really have to connect with the emotion of how it was made.
Right,
And-
and plus it's more like durable, and the beauty is by every wash it becomes softer and softer.
Oh.
And if you will feel like the raw मंगलगिरी जो कि ऐसे रहते हैं, हम लोग जब भी फैब्रिक लेने जाते हैं फिर yarns में देखते हैं, जब वो बनते हैं वो starch वो वॉश होता है आफ्टर लाइक 2-3 years, you will see वो इतना सॉफ्ट बन जाता है, वो इतना सॉफ्ट होता है. I mean, I'm just saying that from because I have seen it, but I have like half of my wardrobe filled with the textiles and the hand woven stuff. Of course, my brand is there now,
Of course.
but
But like give it a chance.
Yeah.
Try it out. Maybe it clicks
Yeah.
with you. Maybe you really start wearing it, and maybe
Oh,
it just
definitely.
becomes your style.
yes, I would say ki if one person in a group is following that, like Jamdanis. Now Jamdani is coming with a lot of fun prints, motifs, not prints. Sorry to use that word. Motifs. It's when I say motifs, it's actually hand woven into
Okay.
fabric. So with the elephants, and I am bringing that with the cocoon, the butterflies and stuff to make it more, happening, and to change the perspective that handloom is boring. So we all are trying to do our best and stuff, but there has to be a voice who can support handloom practices. At the
Makes
end.
sense. Of course. Of course.
Okay, I'm stuck here.
Complete karo. Airplane है ना ये?
This is a rocket. Airplane, right? Airplane.
Okay. ठीक है. मैं तब तक इसको सेट करती
I
हूँ.
remember मैं ना स्कूल में भी ना वो एरोप्लेन नहीं बना पाती थी.
यार एयरप्लेन बनाना तो सबसे आसान काम होता
मैं
है.
नहीं बना पाती थी और मैं वो वाली लड़की होती थी जिसके सिर पे आके टकराता था.
Okay.
Never like
So how were you in school? Were you like a very studious child?
no, I was such a slow learner.
Slow learner. I
I was like okay, so I had like phases in my school life.
Okay.
For the 10th class tak, I have been like a full brat mode mein. Was never into like studious. Never. Studious तो दूर tak कहीं नहीं था. ठीक है. For 11th and 12th, मेरी मम्मा ने बोला तू इतना बस थोड़ा सा फोकस कर ले 12th तक, उसके बाद जो करना है कर लो.
हाँ,
Like,
जो करना है करो. 12th तक पढ़ लो.
बॉयफ्रेंड बनाना है करो. बॉयफ्रेंड बनाना है बनाना, जो करना है
But
कर.
12th में पढ़ लो. 12th तक पढ़ लो.
12th में पढ़ लो. तो इतना पढ़ ली. I scored good 12th में. I went to Delhi University then after that, और फिर ऐसे करके तब मैं थोड़ी सी उस फेज में आई गई थी क्योंकि मैं पढ़ने लग गई.
हाँ.
मतलब वो थोड़ा सा आ गया था. I have to be serious for my career.
ठीक है. Nice. I've never been a very studious child.
Nice.
I was
Enjoy
okay.
it.
I was good in studies. I wasn't bad. But जब से फिर यूपीएससी करना शुरू करा तो 16 घंटे एक दिन में पढ़ती थी.
Yeah, that's like minimum.
Oh my god. मेरा दिमाग खराब हो
Kudos,
जाता था.
man.
But it
How
was
did
too
you
much fun.
manage?
Yeah, it was too much fun. I mean, just learning new things. I had the time of my life. But the idea.
Why doing UPSC?
Yeah, genuinely. I used to love. So I love being the smartest person in the room. I have to know everything.
हाँ.
And how can you do that? By studying. So I used to study क्योंकि मुझे सब पता होता था फिर. तो मुझे बहुत मजा आता था. But the only bad part of it was कि मुझे एग्जाम देने के लिए पढ़ना पड़ रहा था. Like I love studying. I can study in general. कि मैं सबसे स्मार्ट होनी चाहिए. मुझे एग्जाम देने के लिए नहीं पढ़ना बस.
That's funny, but it's like Kudos to you to do
Yeah.
that. UPSC. No comments.
अरे
But
बहुत मजा आता है यार. It's too fun.
to do
but-
UPSC.
Yeah, it is very fun. If you enjoy it, it's fun. If you don't enjoy it, it's going to ruin your life. But I enjoyed the studying bit of it, so मजे ही थे. But anyway, so we have come towards the end of our podcast.
Okay, my
And-
airplane has not been like. Okay, this is like.
बंद तो
good
गया.
enough. This is good enough.
बंद तो गया. इसको यहाँ रखो.
Yeah, I forget the last step, but it's okay.
रखो.
Not gonna like. But this is such a cute activity.
है ना?
Kudos to you.
मजा.
ये कैसे मतलब you like chat GPTing or whatever?
No. I have a live chat GPT. ठीक है, that's called my husband.
Oh,
He
so
comes up with the
sweet.
craziest ideas. He's like,
So
why
sweet.
don't you do a podcast with doing random stuff?
This was like
So-
such a interesting part of this podcast. Obviously, you, but
No, but this was
along
more
with-
interesting. For
Fun.
everyone listening, please check out their website, check out their Instagram, because what she's wearing is stunning. So
really, thank you.
yeah, it's really pretty. So
Thank you.
I will see you in the next episode of She's Unhinged. Till then, bye.